Welcome back, explorers! Today the R Squad is learning about a very special number, 10. Let's discover all the ways numbers can work together to make 10. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Finding pairs that make 10, putting numbers together, using objects to help us count, and checking our totals. 10 is a friendly number. It helps us with lots of math later. 10 friends work together. Let's look at this. There are 6 leaves here, and 4 leaves over here. 6 plus 4 makes 10. They work together to make 10. Let's do another one. There are 5 stones here, and 5 stones over here. 5 plus 5 makes 10. 5 and 5 are friends of 10. Different numbers can still make the same total. Let's sing the Make 10 song.
Some and some put together, count them all, they make 10 forever. Some and some another now, put together, count them all, they make 10 forever.
10 is the best number to sing about. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1. There are 7 sticks. How many more make 10? Correct. 3. 7 and 3 are friends of 10. Challenge 2. There are 2 ladybirds. How many more make 10? Correct. 8. 2 and 8 are friends of 10. Challenge 3. There are 9 apples. How many more make 10? Correct. 1. 9 and 1 are friends of 10. Let's review what we learned. You found pairs that make 10. You added numbers together. You used objects to help you count. And you checked your totals. 10 out of 10 learning. Great job! For mastering number pairs that make 10, you earned the Make 10 Master Badge. Congratulations! 10 is officially your friend. Next time, we'll learn how numbers break apart and come back together. See you in Lesson 14. Bye, explorers!